when we were talking and I kind of started did a little bit of recon on you, right? And I said, oh, I need to bring in the big guns, the experts. So Mr. CEO here, with the business that you have established and everything. And so Mr. Haziq Ali here is actually a entrepreneur. He's a specialist when it comes to helping entrepreneurs with their businesses and accelerating their income and all types of stuff. And I'm talking using the tools that he's going to share with you today and others. So that's just what he does. That's his passion. And I said, man, when I looked at what you did, I said, this will be a perfect opportunity to bring in the big guns, like I said. And so here he is. And Mr. Ali, this is Jared. You got a show I saw with was that your wife?
Yes.
That's what your cap is. That's his logo on his cap there.
Yeah.
And then he's got a financial services company. And so you offer insurance and credit assistance. And there was a third thing you had up there. What was the third thing?
The retirement.
Retirement. Okay. Yeah. So he's deep in the finance, but was very intrigued with the automation, huh? When I talked about that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, good deal. Well, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Ali here, and I'm just going to kind of be a fly on the wall and learn just like you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So how long you been doing this, bro?
I started credit back in 2014. Started doing insurance. My wife she was in insurance. That's how I met her. But she been doing it for like 7 or 8 years. So yeah, so I've been doing it for overall, like our company, we just started that back in January of 2021.
Okay.
So
and what different verticals are you in so far? So finance, funding or financing?
No, I'm in so life insurance, and through life insurance we help with retirement and then credit repair.
Okay. About how many clients do you have?
Right now we have 40 on the credit side.
Yeah.
This year so far we've only got 11 on the life insurance side.
Okay. Now it adds up.
Oh, it adds up, yeah.
It's so funny to me that we'll get car insurance because they force us to under threat of death and imprisonment, but we won't get life insurance to just take care of our damn family.
Exactly.
Bizarre how the human mind works, man.
Yeah.
But maybe what I'm able to talk to you about tonight can help. I know it can help the family bring in a lot more income using the same brand equity you've already developed, as somebody who they trust in the financial services space. The stuff that I'm about to show you, bro, is mind blowing. It's going to feel a little bit out the box at first, but you're going to find that personal credit is some of the heavy laborist, low marginist, I know I just invented 2 words, niches you could possibly get in, man. It's like you're doing the most for the least.
Exactly. That's true.
And then dealing with all these low-brow customers.
That's true.
Me and Jamila said you're not allowed to say retarded no more, but good grief. They've been ruining their credit for 30 years and want you to give them an 830 days.
Exactly, man.
So, bro, I think you're really going to enjoy this. This company is for us, by us, man. It's called Nove. Nove literally means new beginnings. And I'm going to tell you something. If you ask me, that's what the people need. It's just crazy. We're talking about a world where this is the richest country in the world. This is the richest country in the world. And you know that, Jared. But yet, look at some of these statistics. 43 million people have a credit score in the 500s or lower. And keep in mind, 600 sucks.
Yeah.
61% of America ain't got $1,000 to pay for a crisis. It's just rough out here, man. But check it out. And it's a bar you may want to use in your own presentations, right? My mentor taught me this. It's probably more than any other adage or aphorism or words of wisdom, or probably more responsible for me going from homeless to a multimillionaire than any other thing I can teach you tonight. And that is that the opposite of wealth is not poverty. The opposite of wealth is mismanagement.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Like, if you've been working 10 years and you ain't got $10,000, that means you ain't paid yourself $20 a week.
Wow.
Ain't that cool?
That's
like awareness enhancement. That's what this company is really good at. You do not have to be an expert. I got a homegirl who took that Series 6 probably 7 times before she could become a life insurance agent. So when she saw how much money she could make without having to take exams or get board certified or get bonded, licensed, all this, she was going crazy.
Yeah.
And that's how most people feel when they see what I'm about to show you. That's how our CEO designed it. This dude grew up in the projects, bro. You know, it's funny. We just now had Rico McCambry Day on the 19th of this month. Back in McDonough, Georgia, they gave him his own day now. It's crazy. You know, millionaire by his mid-20s, you know, never knew his first father. Some people be like, why do it seem like he got 2 last names? Because he just met, you know, his father, Mr. McCambry, a couple years ago. Up until then, he was known as McDaniel because they thought that's who his dad was. This is a wild story. They're actually making a film out of his story.
Wow.
But his first book was called The Fatherless Father. His latest book is called The Plan, right? Because we feel like after all this police reform, we need to stop focusing on emotion and start focusing on economics. So out of all these statistics, you know, he's a subject matter expert for business credit with Forbes magazine. He's a subject matter expert for consumer financing. Like, bro, before we leave this presentation, you about to be a whole FinTech based financial solution for consumers and small businesses. And it's a good thing too, because those business owners are who the main ones going to understand you when you're talking about buying life insurance.
True.
Right now, you got no synergy because the people that need help with their personal credit don't give a damn about no life insurance. Like, they, you know what I mean? They enjoy living on the edge, baby. You know?
Yeah.
It's rough, man. So, you know, we just now made the Inc. 5000 list, the fastest growing companies in the whole country. You know, and nobody even heard of us yet, but we ain't playing games, Jared. Like, we coming for the crown. We got celebrated all over the country, but this is one of my favorites right here. I know you watch Shark Tank.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
What's up? It's Shark here, Damon John, and I want to congratulate my fellow Sharks, Rico, Hazik, Shanae, and all the affiliates nationwide. And I want to tell you, congratulations for Nove and for making the Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies in America.
Facts.
Out of more than 7 million. In fact, number 2037.
Yeah, we beat more than half the list of the 5,000 fastest growing, man. So, but we just getting started, and with affiliates and white label partners such as yourself, man, we know we on our way. I met Jamila in Houston a few weeks ago, and I was out there speaking at some conference, and we've been like bosom buddies ever since. But there are like so many brothers and sisters out there just like you and Jamila that we looking to partner with, because you know, we know that it is not about changing the Aunt Jemima bottle. You know that's what they did for you, bro, because Black Lives Matter. You know, that's what they gave you, bro. They gave you an Aunt Jemima, you know what I mean? It's not about singing the Negro spiritual anthem at a football game.
Oh man, yeah.
Like, stop playing with us.
Yeah.
So here's our claim to fame, this ladder. We call it Financial Freedom Success Ladder. So first we help them get back. And our whole thing is we're going to meet them wherever level they're at financially and then help them go to the next level. If you white label it, man, you're going to find this is crazy, but you can also become an affiliate. It's get online banking, get personal credit, get business credit, get funding and lending, get consumer financing so you can skyrocket your conversion and grow that business, or should I say scale, investment in real estate, and then legacy protection. You're talking about one form of legacy protection with your wife's, life insurance business, but I'm about to talk to you about something even, Dr. Martin Luther King didn't know about.
Okay.
Let's get into it. All right. First, get banked. 1 in 20 Americans don't have a checking account. It's insane. It's one thing to say the rich getting richer and the poor are getting poorer, but it's another thing to say the rich getting rich off the poor. And when you look at the fact that banks make billions of dollars every month off insufficient fund fees, that's literally getting rich off people that ain't got it.
Yeah.
So enter Nove's online banking. No setup fee, no monthly fee, no ATM fee, no minimum deposit, no inactivity fee, no overdraft fees. Bro, they'll click online banking on your website, fill out the information, take about a minute and a half. They're not even paying shipping and handling for the card. And if you white label this suite of services, like Jamila was talking to you about, bro, your logo will go on the MasterCard, right? With the MasterCard logo. Like it's the second one is building personal credit. You already know about this, so I won't spend too much time here. You know about how, the whole score builder and score master and all this stuff works. But if you push it to us, you get to set your own price point. This is what we charge as a regular customer, but you get to charge what you want. And you got somebody answering the phone for you, like, welcome to Jared Financial Services, however you want to play it. You know what I mean? They're doing the non-dispute letters, all the 609 letters. Like it's amazing. But here's what's beautiful, bro. We also gonna help you get into the world of business credit. This is where the money is. And these are the clients that want life insurance. Hey, Jared, I'm gonna tell you something. Once you're talking to entrepreneurs, you're talking to people that have already applied faith, bro. They've already learned to bet on themselves. And our product, takes them through Dun & Bradstreet number, EIN number. You know how many people in our community missed all that PPP money because they weren't lendable?
Yeah.
So this is gonna fix that for them. $50,000 funding guarantee. And it's only $24.95, or they can do it no money down, which means if you are an affiliate of us, you get paid before they've even made a payment. Or if you white label everything, you get paid before they've even made a payment. You can be an affiliate for just $500 and add this to your suite of services, or you can white label this whole thing for $25K. You can even do that no money down, but I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Number 4 is the funding and lending. Bro, you become a walking, talking lending tree. So the price of everything going up, like everything going up but people's paycheck. Like, wouldn't it be sweet if they could walk into their job and be like, can I make more per hour because gas just went up $1 a gallon?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, no, you will get kicked out somebody's office.
Yeah.
So it's a good time to be in the money business, because now that you're working with Nove, you get to do personal loans and business funding. And check it out, it's so elegant. All they do is go to your website, click apply, you get paid, they get funded, you get paid again. And then there's the consumer financing. Bro, any business every time you go on Instagram, you're instantly seeing customers because the second ad is always a funnel with a high ticket item in the back of it. Something that's between $500 and $100,000. Bro, you can sign up every business you can think of, and now you start to make money every month off their processing volume. I don't care if it's a dentist, a veterinarian, a life coach, a cosmetic surgeon, a home renovations person. The customer don't need no tax documents, no pay stubs. They get approved in 2 minutes. The business owner gets their money in 2 days, the full amount, bro. And all the customer needs is like a 600 credit score, 25,000 a year in income. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. It's a game changer for any business. And for you, it's another way to establish yourself in your community as a FinTech-based company instead of credit repair, which you throw a rock, you're going to hit 2 rappers and 3 credit repair people. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Instagram model.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Maybe that's just Atlanta. I don't know. But anyway, number 6 is real estate investment education. You get to put them onto a program that's going to teach them wholesaling, fix and flip, buy and hold. And again, they can get started no money down. Because, if all I got is ignorance, if I ain't got no wisdom, it don't matter how much I love my children. All I can pass down is ignorance. You know what I mean? We got to learn something that helps us build legacy. This is legacy building. And that's what we're all about. We're an ownership preparation company. If you haven't kind of noticed the pattern here, everything here is about preparing them for home ownership, land ownership, business ownership, and then legacy protection, bro. As promised, Martin Luther King didn't even have what's called a trust. So when you partner with us, you not only have your wife selling a life insurance, but now you get to sell family trust, business trust, charitable foundation trust, bro, right in time for the Corporate Transparency Act. Your boy Jim Crow Joe rewarded all the voters by declaring war on the small business, bro.
Yeah.
Now they're going in your Venmo, your Cash App, your Zelle. So we know we need trust. We need protection. You know, your boy Travis Scott wishes he had a trust right now. If anybody around him has half a brain.
Yeah.
So now you're able to help people with that. So that's about it, man. That was it. TaxBot, so they can track their taxes. It's even tracking your mileage with the GPS in your phone. So when you're riding around getting it, you're getting your 53 cents a mile. While they complain about $4 a gallon gas, as they should, because it's ridiculous. But as entrepreneurs, we get a little bit more, you know, breathing room, because the government wants to reward us for starting a business so they can puff out their chest to everybody like we the greatest country in the world. Don't worry about how we treat black people, but look at our unemployment rate. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The Nove Library is cold because it's 20,000 of the best books ever written in 10-minute audio summaries. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
And then here's a white label partner program Jamila was telling you about. So they'll build your website, bro. They'll set up your merchant accounts. You put your brand on everything. They're answering the phone for you. You ain't buying no envelopes and stamps. They're providing the coaches for the business credit, the $50,000 funding guarantee, the software, all the banking relationships for the consumer financing, the funding and lending program. Everything is done for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I can show you the website real quick. You know, like I say, you can also get it on by joining us as an affiliate. So I can tell you about that too. If you want to start off as an affiliate and then grab the white label after you see we are who we say we are. Right. So this is what your affiliate website would look like, right? When you're an affiliate, you can even sell the white labels, bro. So you've been in credit industry long enough to be in different mastermind groups. You in different Facebook groups, bro. You can sell the white labels to them because they all looking for automation too. Bro, you make $4,000 right away, then get 10% of what that business does the rest of your life. We got people that just make a whole career out selling white labels, bro. Wow. I had one lady sell 2 in one day not too long ago. Like, all right, so here's the white label page on the affiliate website. But you see like on here, you know, business funding, like I told you, 8 different funding categories, right? They just go here, click apply, you get paid. They get funded, you get paid. So unsecured business funding, if they got a 680, they don't need no time in business, no monthly revenue needed. They can apply for up to 150,000, bro. They apply, you get paid, they get funded, you get paid. Startup loan, 680, no time in business, but now they need 4,000 a month coming in personal income. Don't matter if they drive Uber. So what? They can apply for up to 150,000. You get paid when they apply, you get paid when they get funded. Business cash advance, no minimum credit score. Notice that, bro. 6 months in business, $4,000 from their business, and they can apply for up to 10 million. They apply, you get paid, they get funded, you get paid. Term loans, business lines of credit, invoice factoring. But back to the white label program. I just wanted to show you how elegant the website is. Like, bro, it's plug and play. So full turnkey business inside 45 days, fast track to higher income. You own an existing business, even better. You can sell the entire Nove Money suite, bro. Startup owners are welcome, but we love working with cats like you that already got like, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 clients. So this is how it works. You pay the program, you pay the infrastructure setup fee. We help you establish your own brand. We build your website, get you approved for the merchant accounts, implement tracking, reporting software, all that. Train you on all aspects, bro. Help you start marketing. After your customers enroll, we teach them, we either service them under your brand or teach you how. You collect all the money up front and pay Nove a small monthly fee per client. You make the bread But more than that, you have impact. Like you getting income and impact at the same time. Here's what you get to offer: personal credit, business credit, personal loans, bro, business funding, consumer financing, online banking, real estate investment education, trust, and you get to offer the white labels, even though you're a white label. Like, it's amazing. So your program's going to include everything from website design and development to this exclusive community, marketing explanation videos, merchant account submissions, subscription billing software, video and document library, CRM monitoring, ongoing client assistance, live customer service, bro. You can even have an affiliate program if you want, document services. That means they're mailing everything out for you, marketing materials, sales funnel, technical and CRM support, operations manual. You get it. Then we give you a training day. You'll get to spend time with the CEO, the COO, myself, the CMO. You'll get to meet all the call center staff, the document processing staff, the funding department. You get to just chill. We have lunch and dinner. That's pretty much it, man. You know, there are 3 different options. You can just pay the $25K. You can finance it for a small monthly payment, little as $555 a month. Or you can do a payment plan if you can't afford number 1 or can't qualify for number 2. You can just do a few monthly payments of $5,000. So that's about it, man.
This is amazing.
Bro, ain't it? That's what
amazing.
Everybody says that sees this. It's like, we know we're going to be the next billion-dollar company in FinTech, bro. And what's crazy is it's coming from a place where we just want to heal our community. And they didn't teach us nothing. Last night, because every Monday we do financial literacy training. It's completely free. And last night, man, we did this one on credit card debt. And one of the brothers that was watching it hit me. He was like, man, I'm going to introduce this to my whole family meeting. He was like, I never realized what happens if I miss one car payment or if something happens. It's like, this is ridiculous. He's like, this is what they should have taught us in school instead of teaching us algebra. You know?
Yeah,
like,
true.
2x equals 6. You ain't bought. You can't buy a sandwich with that, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you got to check it out, man. So, you know, I'll let you and Jamila kick it, man. But like I say, if you're not ready for the white label, you probably at least want to grab an affiliate kind of thing. If you want, I can take you through how affiliates get paid. It's up to you.
Yeah, that would be awesome. I want to be able to tell my wife everything. So that'd be great.
Okay. Let me check. Let me pick up. All right. So also you might want to write in your notes, just have your wife Google Nove Money Reviews. Okay. If she's the one that likes to dot the I's and cross the T's, it's gonna blow her away. We got thousands of reviews on Facebook alone. You know, we're like an Amazon of financial services or a Walmart of financial services. So every personal credit referral, you make $85 and it's no sweat. You know, I'm sure you make more than that off them clients you got, but you also work way harder. When what you really want to be doing in America is focus on your marketing. You know, business credit, you're making $500 per referral. Even if they do it no money down, you're getting paid before they've even made a payment. So that's pretty amazing. When I said walk and talk and lending tree, you're earning up to 6% of the funded amount. So somebody do a $50,000 cash advance, bro, you just made $3,000 and you didn't do nothing. I just showed you how simple it is. The financing department's handling all of that while you off dealing with the next customer.
Right.
I be telling them sometimes, like, bro, are your dreams even possible? Like, people be working at a job. Like, my brother was one of the youngest GMs in Target history. Bro, they'll put on them red polos and wear them khakis. And they had this little meeting. They'd be like, all right, let's go, team. Go, team. And they all put in their hands and stuff. And they're like, let's go. And, bro, no matter how fast they run through the aisles, bro, we still talking about a quarter-hour raise every 6 months. It's like,
oh, man,
are your dreams even possible?
Yeah.
Off the trust, you making up to $3,500. Everybody who's middle class and above needs a trust. You know that. $4,000 when you offer the white label, plus 10% the rest of your life. You know, you bring in 5 customers the first 30 days, they give you an extra $500 off the personal credit. You're getting paid 5 times a month. You're getting paid every week, plus you get paid every 15th of the month. Full training website. You know, even though you got me and Jamila gonna show you everything, like notice how hard Jamila's working right now. Like, what is she doing, bro? She's scrolling Instagram. You know what I mean? Anybody can do this. Like, you know, we do all types of yacht parties, lifestyle events, bro. Like, we be having a ball, especially once Omarion is done dancing through everybody's lungs. We can get back outside. Cash prizes for likes and comments. The customer service is unbelievable. And you can get started for as little as $99, but that ain't the program you would want. The $299 is cool because they improve your credit for you. But the $499 is the one I was telling you about. That's the one where you get to offer the business credit, the white labels, the trusts, the real estate investment education program, the funding and lending. Everything's in that $499 program. Tax bot, okay, you know, everything's in there. So if you want to do that, you'll just go to Jamila's website, click entrepreneurship. You know, you'll click affiliate program. You'll pick your package. And then that's it, man. Enter your info and payment details and you're done. Takes awesome. About three to 5 minutes, man. And we all
get your website immediately. You get your website immediately.
Yeah, you get your website the minute you've done. By the time you log off, your website already active. And it'll look just like the one that I showed you earlier. So
got you.
That's it, man. You got any questions?
I do not have any questions.
That was cold, right?
Yeah, man. Listen, I ain't never had a presentation like that. Yeah. Yeah, that was cool.
Good job, Mr. Ali. Good job.
Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? We coming for it. We coming for the crown. And I love working with cats like you, Jared, because you ain't been in this almost a decade because you don't care about our people, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have a ball working with you, man, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, let you and Jamila kick it. But I hope to talk to you soon, my bro.